Welcome to our West End New West corner home with southeast views over the Fraser River to Mount Baker. Coffered ceilings and oak inlaid floors in the living room lead to updated double glazed windows bouncing sunlight throughout to the dining room with sliding doors out to the covered sun deck bordered by mature trees. Updated stainless steel appliances, new flooring, paint, and lighting round out a wonderful kitchen that looks out over the back deck. Fir floors in the two main floor bedrooms beautifully contrast the mosaic tile in the hallway and the remodeled full washroom with a quartz-topped vanity. Upstairs is shared by a large primary bedroom and a fourth bedroom with bright morning sun exposure. Downstairs, a home office space could be a fifth bedroom and sits next to the separate flex room. The family room with updated flooring gets excellent natural light. The basement also leads to the single-car garage and open parking for 4 vehicles. Only 1 block from Tweedsmuir Elementary and a couple of more to Grimson Park, this friendly neighborhood has a walk score of 70 with easy access to 22nd Street SkyTrain station, groceries, and restaurants.